close-up of the pea blossom, the lateral or side petals are drawn apart, exposing the boat-shaped keel, which is made up of two petals. The keel protects the essential parts of the flower, the stamens and the pistil. Top or outer tip of the pistil is called the stigma. The stalk of the stigma is called the style, and the lower part of the pistil is the ovary in which the seeds develop. The pistil may be called the female part of the flower. The stamens are the male part of the flower. It is in the pollen sacs or anthers of the stamens that the pollen grains develop. Bees, in their quest for nectar out of which to make honey, may brush the pollen grains from the stamens and carry them on their bodies to other flowers, and thus bring about cross-fertilization, which is so important in the life history of most of our flowering plants. Pollen tubes growing from the stigma down through the style, for the style is opaque. Hence these germinating pollen grains were photographed in a clear solution, and they were photographed through a microscope. And the pods grow to accommodate the developing seeds within. The pod continues to develop until the seeds are ripe. The remains of the withered flower may be seen at the outer end. The ripe seeds are a resting stage in the life history of a plant. Germination of this seed on top of a rock shows the lack of suitable conditions. The proper requirements are sufficient moisture, but not too much, sufficient warmth, but not too much, and reasonably pulverized soil.